friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. Today I have a quick tutorial on this eye look right here. It looks like it might be hard to do, but it really isn't. It requires very few steps and very few products to achieve. This look is inspired by Bailey Sarian. She did a Murder, Makeup, and Mystery Monday where she did like this green winged like shadow look with glitter, and it looked stunning. And I wish I had that green glitter. I don't, but instead I used this guy right here to create this glittery wing. So yeah, super quick, easy to do. If you'd like to see how to achieve this look, then please just keep on watching because I'm gonna show you. Okay, so we are up close and personal with my eyeballs. There is some light reflecting on my face from the window, but we're just going to ignore that. So the first step is going to be priming my eyes. I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Eye Base. You need a pretty small amount of this. A little bit goes quite a long way. I'm just going to apply this all over. Also, please excuse my eyebrows. I did them more naturally today. Unsure how I feel about it. I still have yet to get them done, but hopefully soon. When I touch my lids and they feel tacky, that's when I know that the primer has set a little bit. To set the brow bone, I'm going to be using the MAC eyeshadow in, I don't know how to pronounce this. Trompe lol. I don't know. I'm going to apply this underneath the brow bone. So I'm gonna reach into my giant MAC palette. I redid my entire palette or like single shadow collection with MAC, and I depotted everything and put them into these jumbo palettes. So this is my blue and green palette, but I did do a boo-boo. I forgot to write down the colors as I was doing them, so I really don't know what colors are what. I'm pretty sure this is zinc blue, this color right here, and I'm going to dip into that with a really tiny little brush. And basically what I'm going to do is I am going to start in the outer corner and draw this like giant wing. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, they're not totally even, but it's not that big of a deal. It's totally fine. And now I'm going to cover pretty much the entire area with gel liner. For that, I'm going to use Siahi from MAC, which is this really gorgeous deep teal color. And that's going to be the base for our glitter. With a synthetic flat brush, something like this, I'm going to take Siahi and I'm going to apply this all over the lid, following the lines that I've created. To clean up around the edges, I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer on a small flat brush, and I'm just going to outline the edge of that gel liner just to make a sharper point. So when I did my giant makeup purge, I threw out my Too Faced glitter glue, which is what I would normally use to do something like this. So instead, I'm going to use the Graftobian magic set, and I'm going to mix that with my glitter. Today I'm going to be using the MAC Reflex glitter in Reflex Turquatic. This is such a beautiful blue shade, and I created like a somewhat like thick liquidy consistency, and I'm going to use that all over the lid, anywhere where I put that gel liner. And that looks something like this. So now I'm just going to do the same thing on this eye. And I'm going to throw some mascara on. Normally I would do a waterproof mascara, but because I'm gonna remove this like literally right after, I'm just throwing on the Thrive Causemetics mascara. For lashes, I'm just popping on, I don't even know what pair this is. This is just kind of something that I have lying around, so I'm just gonna pop these guys on. I don't know what they are. They're in a MAC case, but I don't think they're MAC lashes. I think they're the Eyelure ones, but they could be MAC 75. Okay, so I quickly threw on my face makeup. I am now just going to pop on a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. And then for a little bit of an inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the blue Sapphire. This is from Kat Von D. This is the Alchemy palette. I never know which one. If you want to do glitter on the inner corner, if you want to do champagne or silver or whatever color you want, like do you, but I love this like bright blue inner corner. And especially with like the contrast of like the bare under eyes, I just think it looks really cool. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this that are close up with my eyes, just like a quick tutorial. I think that'd be really fun. So just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe if you'd like to see more. All of my social media links will be down below. So Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Tumblr, that's all down there. Don't forget to go out and register to vote. The primaries should already have passed by the time this video goes up. I don't know who won. Hopefully Bernie. Regardless as to who won or who you wanted to win, don't forget to go out and register to vote. I have a link down below to register right now. The general election is coming up in November, and that is so much sooner than we think it is. So click the link below, register to vote in your state, and go out and vote in November. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.